fraction form, okay, in division form. Let's see, if I have, I'll write down the rule after, but let's see, 1/3. Okay, always you will have in this form. Teacher will give you this type of number and ask you whether this is rational or irrational. Okay, if this is the case. Now, for example, another example could be 5/10, 2/4, okay, 3/9. Okay, so similar example, they give you, teacher, and then ask you whether is it rational or irrational. If you divide this and your answer ends, right, it's not continuous answer, right, that's rational, right, if it completely divides. So what do we do if ratios give you complete, what should I write, complete answer? Complete answer means, guys, you will finish, right, when you divide 1 divided by 3, if it ends, okay, then that's rational, then it's rational, it is rational. We're going to check, okay, we're going to check whether 1/3 is rational or irrational. If it completely finishes, let's say, for example, this one, 2 divided by 4, if you use calculator, it gives you 0.5. okay, that's it, that's answer, it doesn't go further, okay, it stops. When it stops, it means that is rational. What is this? Rational number. Okay, let's go 1/3. Okay, I'll check what is the answer for 1/3. What do you guys think? Now, in old days, we used to divide them. 1 put inside the bracket and divide by 3, right? If you don't have calculator, if your teacher don't allow you to use calculator, use this method, okay? 1 divide. Now, as you know, 1 is smaller than 3. We cannot divide them, right? But what we're going to do, we introduce a decimal here and then put a 0 here. Now it is 10. Read your 3 timetables up to 10 or closer to 10. 3 3s are 9, right? So 3 3s are 9. 1 left, another 0, 3 9. 1 left, another, introduce another 0. 3 3s are 9. Do you think it will finish? This never finishes, right? So what do we call this type of number? Irrational. Okay, so see, I'll write here never finishes. Okay, this is called irrational. So 1/3, I said 1/3 is irrational. Simple rule, okay? If you have calculator, quickly divide and see if it give you the answer or not, exact answer. If it doesn't, then it's not. So some example you can of irrational. Okay, I'll write here the irrational example for you. Okay, let's go irrational. It's called never ending. Okay, that goes forever, it doesn't end. Okay, let's see some example. Your teacher might ask you E. Okay, E has a value, okay? So E is our pi. Let's go check pi. Pi is 22/7. Do you guys remember pi is 22/7? Pi is 22/7. Now, if I divide this, I'll check whether it gives me like exact answer or not. Let's good. Put 22 inside and divide by 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 left. Okay. Now 1 is smaller than 7. We cannot divide. What should we do? Introduce a decimal and put a 0 here. 7 1s are 7. 3 left. Okay. So 3 is smaller than 7. Again, put 0. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. So put 4 here, 28, 2. Okay. Again, introduce 0. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. Okay, 6. Now, if I put 0, 6 is smaller than 7. Put 0. 6 closer to 60. 7 7s are 49. 4 9 1. See now, guys, this one doesn't end. Okay, it keeps going. So what is this answer? It keeps going. So this is irrational. Okay, guys, we have a lot of these examples. So very easy. If your teacher allows you calculator, you can do it. Otherwise, you have to check this way. Okay, then it's irrational number. So two rule: when it ends, it's rational. When it doesn't end, it's irrational. Okay. Kahoot. A rational number is whose number's decimal terminates. The number that can be expressed as a fraction. All of the above. The numbers decimal express. Oh, A was the answer. Number 2. 13 is a rational number, irrational number. Rational number, quite easy. Next, 0.2727 is a irrational number, rational number, irrational number. Good. Square root 5 under 17 is a irrational number, a rational number, irrational number. Next, 1 over 4 is a rational number, irrational number. 1 2 3 4. Oh, that was 50-50, guys. You did. The square root 9 over 20 is rational, irrational. Rational number. 6 pi over 11 is rational number, irrational number. Irrational number. Okay, square root 51 is rational or irrational? Irrational numbers. Calculate square root 25. 5 6 4 2. 5. Next. Calculate 144, take away square root of 16. That is 8, 128, 16, 23, 8. Which number is closest approximation to the value of 66? Square root of 66. Which number is closest approximation to the value of square root, cube root of 200? Is it 6, 20, 100 or 10? It was 100. Estimate the value of square root 15 plus 3 to the nearest number. 3 3s are 9, 4 4 16, 9. 3 plus 3, 6, 6, 7. Estimate the value of square root 16, take away 5 plus 17.